McDonald's is set to significantly boost its AI investments by 2027, with India at the forefront of this effort. The fast food giant has chosen Hyderabad as the location for its largest global office outside of the US, which will focus on key areas such as data governance, engineering, and platform architecture. According to Dushyant Kela, head of Global Business Services Operations, while the company is still in the early stages of its AI push, the priority is clear: leveraging AI to enhance various aspects of its business, including ordering, sales forecasting, pricing decisions, and performance tracking. The exact investment figures are yet to be determined, but the company's focus on AI-driven initiatives is evident. One of the key areas where McDonald's is already utilizing AI is in order verification. The company has implemented an AI system that spots and corrects mistakes in orders before they are delivered to customers at 400 of its restaurants. The goal is to scale this technology to its 40,000 locations worldwide by 2027, which would significantly improve efficiency across the company. According to Durga Prakash, head of technology for global offices, the expansion of this technology is crucial for improving overall performance. McDonald's is also exploring other AI applications, such as sales forecasting, pricing strategies, and product performance evaluation, to streamline its business operations. The company's focus on India is centered on building a deep AI talent base, with a greater emphasis on technology and tools rather than large headcount growth. McDonald's has been operating in India since 1996 and currently runs hundreds of restaurants across the country. The Golden Arches established a global office in Hyderabad, aiming to make it the largest outside the US. Earlier this year, the government of Telangana announced that McDonald's would launch a global capability center in Hyderabad, creating 2,000 jobs. This development is part of a larger trend in India, where global capability centers have evolved to provide critical support across various operations. In addition to its growing presence in India, McDonald's is also exploring the possibility of establishing a new global office in Poland, modeled after its existing hubs in India and Mexico. This move would further solidify the company's global footprint and enhance its capabilities in AI-driven initiatives. McDonald's is also developing a personalized mobile app that will function across multiple countries, allowing the company to provide a more tailored experience for its customers. The company's AI initiatives also include the development of gourmet burgers through a combination of customer input and AI-generated visuals, as seen in its Imagined in AI campaign. It's worth noting that McDonald's previous attempts at AI integration have seen mixed results. Last summer, the company scrapped a separate drive-through voice ordering initiative after it failed to meet expectations in early trials. However, the company remains committed to leveraging AI to enhance its business operations and customer experience. With its plans to double down on AI investments by 2027, McDonald's isn't going to throw in the towel, especially in an increasingly competitive fast food industry where AI will keep gaining ground. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.